Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can increase or decrease the font size of texts in your presentations on LibreOffice Impress. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your presentation on LibreOffice Impress to the given slide, highlight the given text, for example, of a text box. And there are several ways you can do this, guys. Option number one would be to click into this drop-down menu in the top left, font size, and to select one of these. Option number two would be to use these buttons next to it, increase font size or decrease font size. And option number three would be to use the shortcut Control plus the bracket to the left and the bracket to the right. And then there's also option number four, right click into the given text, select edit style here or character. Both are going to lead you to this menu here. So what you want to do from here is navigate to the font tab, and from here again, click into the size menu and choose the size of your font, and you will see the preview below. Click into OK. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.